Yo, what's up, guys? Your boy Gizmobuilt back with another one. Um, Here we have a Offerup budget build, restoration, however you want to see it. Got the bike for $60. Has some forks laying around from a project that I'm gonna post a video pretty soon. It's a 5,000 watt, 72 volt, and I have a couple other projects as well. Actually, I have about 7 bikes in videos in my phone and GoPros that I have not had the chance to even put together. So slowly but surely, I'm gonna head and start uploading more frequently. But I just had some time on my hands, and I, you know, decided to put this video together. I purchased the bike, no battery. I plugged the battery into the controller. It almost caught on fire. So I ended up replacing it. New controller, put brand new hydraulic brakes, the front forks off of the other bike. Little things. Anybody could do this. It's a bike. It's basically bolt on and bolt off. Here I'm priming the frame in yellow so I could get that nice neon green look I'm looking for. Yeah, I did a little spray on the wheels as well. It's a little 500 watt, nothing too crazy. Just threw it together with parts I had laying around. One of the batteries from another bike, this battery I used on here. But yeah, guys, I have a couple more videos, so stay tuned. I'm gonna play a little bit of time-lapse music for you guys. not the fastest thing I've built, but definitely fun. Something good for the beach. But guys, serious note, this is me 9 years ago. Doing pretty good. Gotta love Florida. Look at the weather right there. Compared to that was about 20 miles an hour. It's a 500 watt. Like always, guys, thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. I was gonna ride. I have a lot more content coming out. I have a couple crazy builds already done. I have a couple even more crazier builds to come. I'm actually trying to do like a e-bike drag racing setup, a little meet or something like that one of these days down here in South Florida. Anybody locally interested, hit me up. That's something. I got a couple crazy builds coming. This one in particular is one of my favorite ones. It's my all carbon fiber, 72 volt killer. I got a lot more content coming up. But I hope you guys enjoy. Well, guys, here's a sneak of the upcoming projects that I have. There's going to be a little 5,000 watt, 72 volt. There's going to be a drag bike project. Stay tuned for that one. Thank you, guys. Please like and subscribe.